Today we are going to learn a chapter named as factorization. Okay, this is a very important chapter and easy chapter also. For this, only just you have to know about the identities. Like some formulas are there, like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square. So whatever the formulas are there, you have to know about that. Before proceeding to that things, first of all we are going to learn what is factorization. Factorization basically comes from the word factor. Okay, the word factor. Suppose here I have written a number 12. Okay, so what are the factors of 12? 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 6, 12. These are the factors of what? 12. So here we are going to learn about factorization. So whenever this number is given, a number is given, and we will make this number as the product of some prime numbers. Make this number as the product of some prime numbers. Then that is called as factorization. Just like I am writing all the things. Suppose what are the prime numbers? First of all, learn that one. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. 9 is not a prime number. Sorry. 11, 13, like this. So whenever a number is given, and you just factorize that one. Factorize this one. You make that number as the product of some prime numbers. Just like this. This is given 2, 6 is 12. Then 2, 3. Look, 2 into 2 into 3. This all the three numbers are prime numbers, right? So 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. So this is the factorization of 12. Okay. But this is a very easy concept. We are not going to learn about how to do factorization of numbers. We are going to learn about algebraic expression factors. Factorization. Okay. So we have just read the concept of factorization. So there are different kinds of methods for factorizations are there. So here I have written the first method is by taking out common factor. Okay. Two numbers or an expression is given, then you have to find the common factor between that two. Whatever the terms are there, you have to find the common factor. Okay, and take that common factor as outside and the second one as multiple. Then that can be converted into a factorization. Okay, here when each term of an expression has a common factor, we divide each term by this factor and take it out as multiple. Just I am giving you example for your clarification. Suppose I have written here 20 plus 25. I am just taking a number for your clarification. So what is the common things is here? What is the common factor of 20 and 25? That is 5. If you take 5 for common out here, 4 plus this is 5. So this term act as a multiple and this term act as a factor. Common factor. Okay. 20 plus 25 can be written as 5 into 4 plus 5. Because 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25. So you just have to, just like this is can be written as 5 into 4. This can be written as 5 into 5. Right. So what is the common factor between that? That is here also 5, here also 5. Take 5 outside. Here 4 left, here 5 left. Add this one. So this term is act as multiple and this term is act as factor. But this is for number, but number is not in our books. In our books, algebraic expression is there. Suppose I am taking an example, 9x square plus 12x square. 9x square plus 12x square. So in this case, just first of all, you have to look the numbers. What is the common factor between 9 and 12? You take 9, 3 into 3, 9, and 12 is 3 into 4. What is the common factor? That is 3. Here how many x are there? 2. Here 1. So you can take 1 x as common. So now take the bracket. So if here 9 divided by 3, 3 is left. Okay. And x square divided by x is left. 12 divided by 3, 4 is left. X cancel. This is the factorization of this expression. Okay, so many examples are there. Suppose I am taking another example, 5a square minus 25 ab square. 5a square minus 25 ab square. So here in number 5 is common factor, here a square, here a. So take a as common. So here I already cancel a square, a is left. Then here 25 divided by 5 is 5. A cancel. This is how much left? Okay. So this is the method of factorization by taking out the common factor. Clear? We have just done by taking out the common factor. We are doing the methods of factorization by taking out the common factor. So just we have done 2 questions or 3 questions. Here I have written 3 questions on the basis of this by taking out the common factor. So look at the first question. It is given 5a b plus c minus 7b b plus c, right? So look here, in this term and in this term, which one is common? 5 and 7 there is no common factor, a and b there is no, but here b plus c, here also b plus c. So you can take b plus c as common factor. Here how much left? 5a. Here how much left? 7. So this is the factorization of this. Okay, it is very easy. Second one is given 18x squared y minus 24xy z. Right. Now first of all we have to find the common factor between this 18 and this 24. Which one is common? 6. Right. 6 is the common factor between, highest common factor between 18 and 24. And here x square is there, here x is there. So which is the smallest power? That is x. Here y, here y. Okay. So how much left here? 18 divided by 6, that is 3. Here x minus here 4. xy has come here. So z. Right? Okay. So now come to the third one. That is 4a plus b, 4 into a plus b minus 6 into a plus b whole square. Now first of all look the number 4 and 6. 2 is the common factor between 4 and 6. Here a plus b, here a plus b square. So 1a plus b will come out, right? Then how much left here? Only 2, because 4 divided by 2 is 2. A plus b has already here. Now here 3 minus 3 into a plus b. You can further explain this one. So you will get 2 into a plus b, and this is 2 minus 3a minus 3b. Okay. So these are some examples by taking out common factors and do the factorization. So we have done the factorization by taking out the common factor. Now this one is factorization by grouping. So an expression is given, and in this expression some terms, okay, some terms are given. So we have to make 2 terms as a group or 3 terms as a group as per the question. So look at the first question. Here it is given. I am going to write the solution. Question is given AB plus BC plus AX plus C. So in this case, what will I do? You can do anything. Okay. As per the question. Here, look at here. In these 2 terms, which one is common factor? B. So it is A plus B. Right. And in this thing, which one is common factor? X. Sorry, here B is common. That is, here A left, here C left. Here x is common, a plus c left. Now look at these 2 terms. Here a plus c, here also a plus c. Take a plus c as common, and this is b plus. So this is the factorization of this question. You take any 2, make a group. In that group, first of all, do that one factorization by taking out the common factor. Then you will do like this. Okay. Second one, number 2, that is given x square plus 3x plus x plus 3. So now look, you can take common out of taking the common factor of these 2, that is x. Here how much is x left? Here 3 left. Look, now this one is x plus 3. Here we have got x plus 3. So if I will take one common, so it is x plus 3. Right? 1 into x plus 3 x plus 3. That is x plus 3 is common in both the terms. That is x plus 1. Okay? Now the third question, that is given 2x minus 3 whole square minus 8x plus 12. Okay. So now the first term, we can't do anything with this first term. We can take common from this because 8 and 12 have the common factor 4. So we can write like this: 2x minus 3 square minus, if you take 4 as common, so it is 2x minus 3, because minus 4 minus 3 plus 12 minus minus plus minus 4 plus 2, that is minus. So now both the terms have the common factor, that is 2x minus 3. So here how much left? 2x minus 3, here minus 4. So you further solve this one, 2x minus 3, and this will be 2x minus 7. Right. So nothing is hard here, very easy questions are there. Only just you have to keep two things, or take common factor from them, then you will get the answer. And last one, not last, this one is also there, this one. These two are homework. You will do these two one by yourself, right? The third one, that is factorization the difference of two squares. The very easy formula, that is we are going to use, that is a square minus b square. Whenever a question is given in this form, a square minus b square, so you will factorize this one, a plus b into a minus b. Factorization the difference of two squares, that is a square minus b square. See here I have taken some questions. The first question is given x square minus y square by 100. So can we convert this one as a square minus b square form? Definitely we can convert. So this one is x square minus, this is y by 10 whole square, right? Y square is y square, 10 square is 100. So a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Right? This is the factorization of this. Similarly, number 2 also we can do 100 minus 9x square. Okay, 100 minus 9x square. So it is 10 square. I can write this one as 10 square. This is 3x square. This square is 10, x square is x square. This is 10 minus 3x. So you can write 10 plus 3x, 10 minus 3x. Okay? Very easy. Similarly, number 3 also you can do x square minus x. So x cube minus x. But you can't take the squares now. So first of all, you take common factor here, that is x. So here how much left? X square. Here how much left? X. So this can be written as x square minus, this is 1 square. Right, 1 square is also 1. So now this term is in the form of a square minus b square. So it is a plus b, and this one is a minus b. So this is the factorization of. Another question I have taken, interesting question. It is 2 8 5 minus 3 32a. That is given 32a. Here I have written. So now what will you do here? Look, 2 out of 2 and 32. 2 is common. Here a is common. So here a 4 left. Here is your 16. Now we can convert this one into a square minus b square. So this is 2a. This one is a square, right? And this one is 4 square. So now this can be written as 2a square plus 4 into a square minus 4. Okay, this is the factorization of this. If you want, then you can further solve this one also. This will be like this: 2a into this one is a square plus 4, and this can be written as a square minus 2 square. Right? Again in the form of a square minus b square. So 2a square plus 4, and this is a plus 2 into a minus. Okay. If you will do up to this, that is also okay. If you do these two parts, that is also okay. So this is the factorization, the difference of two squares. So for this you have to remember this formula: a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b.